Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your display name on your ESPN Fantasy Sports account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in espn.com/fantasy and press enter. You will now be taken into the official ESPN Fantasy website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, click on the sign in button at the homepage and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in, if you wish to change your display name, hover over to the account icon at the top right and then click on ESPN profile. Now within this page, you will see your personal information as well as your display name section. Go ahead and type in your desired display name and then click on the done button, and now your display name on your ESPN Fantasy Sports account will be changed right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your display name on ESPN Fantasy Sports. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.